People ask why we came. We didn't come to chase a dream. First, we came to breathe. I'm Galana. I'm a writer and an educator, and safety became the first lesson.
I'm Galane. I became a nurse here. I help other people heal. But inside our family, there's a quiet ache. Because we left home, and we don't know when we can return.
At school, my friends talk about visiting grandparents. They ask me, "Where are you from?" I say, "We're Oromo." Then they ask, "Have you been there?" And I get stuck.
Mom, Dad, why can't we go on the airplane to see our family? I want to see where you grew up. I want to meet everyone and hug them for real.
When we came, Galane was 24, and I was 31. Because of my writing and activism, going back wasn't safe. I applied for asylum, and then we waited.
Waiting is a strange life. You build routines, school drop-offs, night shifts, bills, birthdays, while a single decision sits above everything, like a cloud you can't move.
We're happy here. We have friends and soccer and school projects. But at home, we hear stories, songs, and words from Ethiopia. It feels like two worlds in one house.
I like the stories, but sometimes I feel sad because I can't imagine the place. I only know it from pictures and your voices. I want to see it with my own eyes.
I teach, I write, I speak up online because silence can be dangerous, but it also means our status stays uncertain. That's the price of telling the truth too loudly.
In the hospital, I see fear and courage every day. It reminds me, we are strong. Still, when my daughters ask, why not visit? My answers never feel big enough.
I don't want my parents to feel worried. I just want a simple thing. One day to travel without fear. One day to say, "This is where we came from," and smile.
Until then, can you tell me another story about home? And can we keep our language so I don't forget where our family started?